Next we have the organic cotton fitted sheet, and this is obviously also in the crib size. Now what I really like about this is a third-party certification of this organic product. And something that I read and I thought was so clever is they said organic cotton feels good on your skin but great on your conscience. Now I know we try and review as many organic and natural products as we can on this channel. I just wish that we could review a lot more, because if we all started purchasing and consciously making decisions to go organic, can you imagine the impact that would make on the environment? Now this is 300 thread count sateen cotton. It feels so soft and feels so good on your skin. Now think about it, hotels aren't even using 300 thread count cotton. This is super good quality, and for your little one or for your own mattress, really, really great purchase. I'm sure that you are as impressed as I was with all the Sleep and Beyond products. They are so luxurious, so comfortable, yet they are organic, sustainable production. They pay fair wages. They give 5% of every product to a charity. I mean, this is like the perfect brand. I'm leaving links to their website down below, as well as their Instagram page. Go check out a lot more of him on that. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.